Have you been wondering if there's more hair on my scalp now than there was 4 weeks ago? Well, we are getting up close and personal today again, my curlies. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here from Coils and Curls. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. As you can see by my hair, we are taking an up-close and personal look at my scalp to see if the Nutrafol is working. I brought it all forward so we can take a very quick look at what's coming around my face. I don't know. I think there's more. I really think that there is more hair than there was a month ago. I tried to pull all of just the little pieces out. I mean, I might have one or two extra long ones that I might have missed, but still, look at all this. I don't know if I missed any. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to get some sections thrown in there, and we are going to get up close and personal. Now I want to take a look at that center part because I think we have a lot of new growth. Of course, I won't be able to see until I get it onto the computer, but I see a lot. Here's the center part from 4 weeks ago, and look at it now. I am telling you, there is more hair. Now, if you hit pause and go back and forth between these two pictures, you will see a lot of new little hairs. Now we're going to go over to the right. Here's a freeze frame from the video 4 weeks ago. I see more hair in this photo. Look at all those little tiny ones popping out of my head. This is a current close-up. I don't have one from 4 weeks ago. I am so excited. Look at all these little hairs. I'm taking this next section right at my receding hairline. Let's see how much it filled in. So this is the shot from 4 weeks ago. And I know this is a different angle, but I think there's definitely more hair. So this is from 4 weeks ago. And now this next one, look at this. There is more hair. I'm going one more down on my right side since it's my lighter side, because I'd really like to know if it's helping. Here's the photo from 4 weeks ago. And now in this second photo, I'm telling you, I think I see more hair. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, so this isn't the greatest part from 4 weeks ago. And yes, this is a closer up, but I see more hair. Now let's move it to the other side and see how that side looks. Right now, I feel like Rosanna Dana from Saturday Night Live. Okay, going now, one section over. What do we think? I see a lot of new growth. Okay, so granted I had gray hair 4 weeks ago, but I still think, even though my sectioning sucks today, I see more hair. In this one, you can see little tiny hairs that just started, and now you see less scalp. All right, we're bringing it over to the receding hairline. 4 weeks ago, you could see part of my scar, and now you can't see my scar. Tell me, is it my imagination? Now, don't forget to pause and look closely. And please, let me know in the comments what you think. We were looking at my scalp together, so I hope that we have more hair on my scalp than we did 4 weeks ago. And hopefully the next 4 weeks, we will see even more growth in my scalp. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. I appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. It could be a smiley face, but YouTube likes to see this so that they recommend me more. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I am up to 1,177 subscribers. So thank you so much, my curlies. Cheers and ciao for now. Juice, please don't start. Yes, meow. Yes, meow. He knows. He knows. He doesn't stop. Oh, shut up. And there he is. 43 seconds into the outro. Yeah, I know.